7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is ranked number 2 on CoinMarketCap. Ethereum is trading for $1,086. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $1,448 and as low as $896. Ethereum has a market cap of $132 billion. In the last 1 month, it has gone as low as 29.8%. In the last 1 year, it has lost 45.7% of its value. In this video, we'll be looking at the Ethereum US dollar price chart. Ethereum is at a critical level right now. Are we going to set new lows for Ethereum? What next for Ethereum? In this video, we'll be talking about Ethereum's performance against Bitcoin. We'll be looking at Ethereum's market cap chart, and then we'll look at Ethereum dominance in the market. Should we be buying more Ethereum right now? Is the bottom in? How Ethereum perform in the coming months? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we are having a dip in the altcoin market, Ethereum included. In the last 1 year, Ethereum has dipped over 45%. In the last 1 month, it's down 29.8%. In the last 1 week, it's still down 5.4%, and in the last 1 day, it's down 5%. So Ethereum has been in a downward trend in the last months. Guys, Ethereum set a new all-time high in November 2021. Ethereum got to as high as 4,800, and that was the peak of the bull market cycle for Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is in a downward trend side of the market cycle. After we had accumulation period, then we have the markup, then we have the distribution, and then we have the markdown phase. Right now, we're in the markdown phase. You can see that the distribution region for Ethereum was from May 2021. Ethereum was distributing all this region. Ethereum distributed till early 2022. Now, Ethereum actually found this last peak that we had here in April 2022. Ethereum got to as high as 3,500, and this was the last logical region you could have sold your Ethereum if you wanted to sell for a huge profit. So everybody that sold around 3,500, they got to sing kumbaya. Let me just show you. This is a very, very important level for Ethereum, 3,500. So how long will it take us to get back to 3,500? If you wanted to sell Ethereum at 3,500 from the bottom of the cycle, and you got to buy Ethereum at less than $100 right here at the bottom, you could buy Ethereum in 2018 for around $85. Even in 2020, you could get it for around $100. And where did you get to sell your Ethereum? The best place to have sold it was around this 3,500 region. So we'll be looking at this 3,500 region and consider Ethereum interacted with it at this level here in mid 2021. And with the relief rally we had in September 2021, Ethereum interacted with that level too. When Ethereum went to set new all-time highs, Ethereum interacted with that level. You see that all the time Ethereum was above this level. This was good time to sell your Ethereum if you wanted to sell. But the funny thing is that that's when a lot of people are getting bullish. Ethereum came back to test that level one last time. We had a rally in April 2022. This was the time everybody thought we were going for all season. We're going to new all-time highs because, guys, Ethereum had fallen from 4,800 to as low as 2,200, and right now Ethereum is down bad, really bad, from 4,800, and the all-time high Ethereum set in November 2021. Ethereum is down around 81% from its all-time high. How low can Ethereum go to the bear market? And if we get to relief rally, how high can Ethereum go? Right now, we want Ethereum to hold this $896 level, around $900 region. We don't want Ethereum to break that level. Ethereum got below $900, and when Bitcoin went below $17,600. So when Ethereum break that level, right now Ethereum is dumping, and we had a little rally over the last 2 weeks. Ethereum went from as low as $896 to as high as $1,250. We represented a 38% pump in Ethereum. That's good to see, but guys, that's nothing to write home about because we are down more than 81% from the all-time high. And right now Ethereum is dumping. If Ethereum dumps another 14-15%, it will start setting a new cycle low, and we don't want to see that to happen. But if you want to accumulate Ethereum at cheaper prices, that's what you want to see to happen. And how low can Ethereum go in this cycle? Guys, let's look at what Ethereum has done in the previous bull market and the previous bear market. Right now, we're in the bear market, and we're not going to get out of this bear market in 1 day. It takes a lot of time. You can see that the previous bear market, Ethereum topped right here on the 8th of January 2018. And how long did it take Ethereum to find this bottom? Ethereum first dumped. Bitcoin found this bottom 1 year later in December 2018. Ethereum to find its bottom there. Ethereum had a dip again to that area in March 2020. This is where a lot of altcoins found their bottom, but Ethereum found its bottom when Bitcoin found its bottom. So even if you got Ethereum in the COVID sell-off, Ethereum was down 93% approximately from its all-time high. If Ethereum repeats the same trick right now and Ethereum will fall down 93% from its all-time high, how low will Ethereum go? Right now from 4,800, 93% drop from the all-time high for Ethereum will carry Ethereum to around $334. This is the worst case scenario. I don't think Ethereum will get to this level. I think Ethereum is that point of the cycle where the asset class is actually matured. Yes, we'll get a dip. It might not go as low as 93%, but I think we'll do what Bitcoin has been doing in previous cycle when Bitcoin got matured. Ethereum will probably lose just around 83 to 84% of its value, and you see Ethereum trading for around $800. Is that possible? I think that will be the logical bottom right now. A lot of people are calling for Goblin Town. A lot of people are calling for us to go further lower. Even on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is trading around 19,000 right now. I believe we'll just come and set a new low. In 2018, that's what we did. And we had the first low. People thought that was the low. Then we went a little more down before we finally found the low in 2018 when Ethereum was trading around $116. A lot of people thought, you know what, it can't go any lower. And then in 2018, Ethereum was already down around 91% from its all-time high before it had that final dip. With history repeat itself, I can see Ethereum getting to around that $800 region. Whether I like it or not, at the next bull run, Ethereum will probably go to as high as $10,000. Right now, the only question I want to answer is, where will the bottom in? Because at some point in time, guys, Ethereum will have to find its bottom, but we need Bitcoin to show us the way. Yes, we're in the bad part of the market where nobody wants to see. We're in the part where we're just down only, we're just trending downwards. It feels as if there's no end to it. A lot of people are seeing their portfolio lose a lot of value. But guys, we're not yet off 1 year from the all-time highs. In the last previous bear market, it took 1 year from the all-time high before we could find the bottom. If history repeats itself, we'll probably find our bottom around November 2022. So we still have 2 months in the bear market. That's if we calculate the all-time high from November 2021. But guys, if we're going to use May 2021, we probably should be ending the bear market right now. Only time will tell if the bear market is coming to end anytime soon. And guys, let's take a look at Ethereum's performance against Bitcoin. Ethereum has been running against Bitcoin. In the last 1 month, Ethereum went up around 16% against Bitcoin. That's nice to see. But if you zoom out, you see that in the larger scale of things, Ethereum is very, very bearish against Bitcoin. Ethereum set its all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing in December 2021. But before then, the first all-time high set was starting May 2021. And that was the high for Ethereum in the last 4 years. Because guys, when Ethereum was pumping, when it was launched against Bitcoin, it had a crazy ride. And Ethereum has not been able to set new all-time highs against Bitcoin since. A lot of these altcoins do the same thing. They find it hard to set all-time highs They find it hard to set all-time highs against Bitcoin after their first cycle, Ethereum included. In the first cycle, Ethereum went up over 8,000% against Bitcoin. Since then, it has just been losing value steadily against Bitcoin. It found its bottom right here in 2019. It found its bottom right here in September 2019 when it was down 89% against Bitcoin. And it found a way to rally in the bear market, but it couldn't set new all-time highs. Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin by over 300% during the bull run. Because guys, Bitcoin went up over 20x, but Ethereum went up over 50x during the bull run. Ethereum went from the low in 2019, it went to the high. That took Ethereum up 400% against Bitcoin, and since then it has been topping. But if you notice right now, it looks as if Ethereum will be dumping. 4 phases of a market cycle. We have accumulation. Accumulation period for Ethereum against Bitcoin was here. We have the markup period, then we have the distribution period, and now we're waiting for the downward period or the markdown period before another accumulation period will happen. So how low will Ethereum go in the bear market? Only time will tell right now. Taking a look at the Ethereum market cap, Ethereum market cap is at $132 billion. It got to as high as $150 billion over the weekend, but Ethereum has been dumping. From the all-time high, Ethereum market cap went to as high as $576 billion. How low will it go in the bear market? And guys, when I say Ethereum market cap getting to as low as $100 billion, that might be the land in the sand. If Ethereum market cap gets to $100 billion, we'll see Ethereum from its all-time high. Ethereum would have been down more than 82%, which lines up with our theory of Ethereum going to go down more than around 82-83% to line up with what Bitcoin has been doing in the previous bear market. Bitcoin in the second cycle and third cycle dropped 83%, and Ethereum right now, Ethereum looks like a matured asset, so we might probably see a 84% dump. That's very, very crazy to think about it. And in the crypto market, we're talking about an asset being matured and it to still have to drop 84%. But that's what happened during the bear market. The last bear market, Ethereum market cap went from $133 billion to as low as $8.9 billion. Ethereum found a way to recover just like other cryptos in the bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How low do you think Ethereum will go in the bear market? Do you think Ethereum's market cap will come back to this $82 billion region? From where we are right now, we still have to see Ethereum dump another 30%. If Ethereum dumps another 30% from $1,000, we'll see Ethereum trading below $800. Is that possible? Only time will tell. Ethereum dominance in the market is actually reducing to Ethereum dominance and got to as high as 16% on the 8th of July 2022. At the top of the market, Ethereum had a dominance of around 21%. Right now, it only has a dominance of 14%. How low will the Ethereum dominance go in the bear market? In the previous bear market, Ethereum dominance got to as low as 7%. Are we going to get that kind of figure in this bear market? Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At what price will you be buying more Ethereum for the next bull run? Do you think the bottom is in? Can we go lower on Ethereum? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification. You won't get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.